Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. How are you all? Yes, children?
I am fine.
Fine. So have you done the homework?
Good
15
morning,
and
ma'am.
16?
Yes.
15 and 16?
Yes.
Yes? Okay,
Yes.
can you show me? Can you show me the book, page number 50 and 51? Yes, yes. I can see many children have completed. If anyone forgot, children, what you have to do? You have to do it today itself. Yes, Arfan, who is taking for you? Who is giving you tick with red pen? Yes, Arfan? Huh?
I take from.
You are only checking?
No.
Your parents?
That last one that give.
Okay, okay. Okay, so children, now question number 16. I am going to write the answers on the board. Those who have done the homework, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. All of you, please take workbook. Page number 50 and 51. Check whether you have completed your homework and is it correct.
Am I right?
Okay, okay.
50 page and questions 50 and 16.
Okay, so question number 16, I'm going to write the answers on the board. All the children, please make it correct, whether it check question number 15. Okay, question number, children, question number, started, some problem with this. Okay, so children, question number 16, I will ask one by one. Let me see who have done the homework correctly. 84 multiplied by 2. 84 multiplied by 2. Question number 16 from page number 51. Question number 16. 84 multiplied by 2. Adinath, what's the answer? Adinath.
168.
168. Yes, correct answer. 168. 168. 1 minute. Let me check.
Ma'am, here I have disturbance. May I mute?
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute. I will write it again. Question number 16. 84 multiplied by 2. So Adinath told the answer is 168. Children, please check whether you all got this answer and make it. If anybody got correct, wrong answer, you have to make it correct. Okay, next one is question number B. 24 multiplied by 3. Yes, Adinath, unmute and speak.
72.
24.
72.
Yes, multiplied
24,
by 3. Yes, the answer is
3.
correct.
24.
72.
2.
Yes. All the children, please check page number 51, 16. That was the homework. We are checking whether your answer is correct or wrong. And if anybody got mistakes, you have to make it correct now. Yes, Dia, next question, question number C. 32 multiplied by 4.
128.
32 multiplied by 4. What's the answer? Say it louder. 128. Okay, very good. Let me check whether it is correct or wrong. 32 multiplied by 4. What do you have to do? Start with multiplication from ones place. 4 twos are 8. 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. So the answer is correct. 128. Next one is question number D. Ameya, unmute and speak. Question number D. 25 multiplied by 4.
90.
90, is it?
90.
Let me check. Gauri Nanda is saying something else. Yes, Gauri. Gauri Nandana.
Answer is 100 only, ma'am.
100. Yes, Amaya, we will check how Gauri Nandana got 100. It is, the question is 25. 25 multiplied by 4. Amaya, look at the board, whether check where you got mistake. 5 into 4. Amaya, what is 5 into 4?
20.
20. So I will here write 0 and 2 is carryover. Okay?
Yes.
What is 4 into 2? 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2?
10.
8 plus 2?
10.
10. So the answer is 100. So maybe you have added only one carryover. Yes, that was the mistake. Okay, Gauri Nandana, your answer is correct. So I hope all of you got correct answer. Let me check. Yes, children, how many got all these 4 questions correct? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Yes, very good. So if anybody got mistakes, please make it correct. I will share that screen again. So if anybody got any mistakes, please take question number A, that is 168. Question number B, that is 772. Question number C, 128. Question number D, that is 100. Okay. So that's it. Now question, can you read question number 17? The next question.
There are 5 biscuits in a packet. How many biscuits are there in 4 such packets?
Okay, so there are 5 biscuits in a packet. How many packets are there like the same packets? 4 packets we have. Now we have to find out the total how many biscuits will be there. So what we can do, What we can do?
Multiplication.
How we will find out the answer? The total number of biscuits. In one packet, how many biscuits are there?
5.
5.
5.
And like that, how many packets are there? 4. So how we can find out the total?
Multiply 5.
Multiplied by 4. 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4?
20.
20. Okay. So children, in one packet there are 5. So like this 4 packets are there. So we have to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. So instead of adding 4 times, we will do multiply. 5 into 4. So children, can we do? Write together. All the children, please take page number, question number 17 and write it down. Question number 17. So there are 5 biscuits in a packet. So we will write 5. And how many packets are there? We have 4 packets. For 5 into 4, the answer is 20. 20 what you have to write? This is like a word problems. 20 biscuits.
Biscuits, ma'am.
Biscuits. You have to write the spelling. Biscuits. So only this much you have to write. All the children write together. We are going to finish this chapter today. Okay. So no need of any pending works. 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 biscuits. Okay. Very good, Diya. Now next one is Adinad. Can you please read question number 18? Adidev.
Savida studies for 6 hours in a day. Calculate the number of hours she studies in a week.
Week. Okay. So how many hours Kavita studies in a day?
Hours.
6 hours. And we have to find out how many hours she will study in a week. So how we can find out how many
Ma'am,
days?
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, by multiplying 6 into 7.
very good. Why we are multiplying by 7? Because we know there are 7 days in a week.
In a week.
Okay. In a week, how many days are there?
7.
Very good. So can you tell me the answer? 6 multiplied by 7. What's the answer?
42.
42. Yes. So Kavita is a good girl. Yes. She's studying 42 hours in a week.
42 hours.
42 hours. So children, you have to write your
In
hours. So 6. Adidev, mute. You can mute now. So there are 6 hours and 7 days. So 6 into 7, the answer is 42 hours. So children, are you studying like this 6 hours in a day? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. 6 into 7. So
Yes.
52 hours she is studying in a week. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many hours you are studying in a day?
4 hours. I know.
So can you tell me
Yes.
in
12 months, 1 year.
studying all the days same? How many? Amaya, 4 into 7. How many hours you are learning? 4 into 7. What is 4 into 7? Who can tell the answer? 4 into 7?
28 hours.
28 hours. Okay. So 28 hours
82.
Amaya is studying in a week. Yes. But Sunday and Saturday, we don't know how you are learning. So next one, Sapna, can you read the next question? Question number 19.
Amit has 90 coins of rupees 2. Calculate the total amount of money with him.
Okay. So Amit has 90 coins and each coin is of rupees 2. So how much total? Yes, Sapna, tell me. How we can find out the total amount with Amit?
Okay.
90 multiplied by 2. Okay, 90 multiplied by 2. 9 into 2. What is 9 into 2? Yes. Can you say the answer? 90 multiplied by 2?
180.
180. Very good. 180 rupees.
Ma'am, 180. 180.
180. 9 into 2. Okay, very good. Very good. 100 and okay, children, please complete. So question number 19. Amit has 90 coins. 90 multiplied by rupees 2. So children, here 9 twos are 9 into 2. Everybody know that is 18. And here we have one more 0 to be added. And this is rupees. So in the front, we have to write the symbol. Rupees 180. 180. Now, Isa, can you please read next question? Isa. Question number 20.
Ravi's father bought 8 cartons of grapes. Each carton has 15 kg of grapes. How many kilograms of grapes did he buy?
Okay, so we have Ravi's father bought how many cartons? 8 cartons. And in each carton we have 15 kilogram of grapes. So how much total? 15 multiplied by 8. Children, all the children do it alone.
120.
Very good. 120. So all the children multiply and check whether you got this answer. 120 what? What I have to write here? Look at the question. How many kilograms? The question is, how many kilograms of grapes? So what I had to write here?
Kilogram.
Kg. 120 kilogram. Question number 20. 15. All the children, before doing 120, find out 15 multiplied by 8, whether it is correct or wrong. So 15, when you multiply by 8, 8 into 5, 40. 4 is carry over. 1 into 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, our answer is correct. Okay, children. All of you got the answer? Now question number 21 and 22, all of you has to do now alone. 21 and 22. 14 multiplied by 7. Question number 22, 16 into 8, 13 into 9. All of you,
What?
do it alone. Question number 21. 14 multiplied by 7. Question number 22. A. 16 into 8. Question number B. 13 into 9. I will ask one by one. All of you has to do this now alone. Abrid, can you tell me the answer of question
Ma'am,
number
the first
21?
question is 94.
Wait. I'm asking Abrid. Abrid, question number 21. 98. Okay.
I'm
So till-
98. The
Ah.
answer.
Check here. I will write here 14 multiplied by 7. 7 into 4 is
Ma'am, can I say the
28. 1 minute. I will ask one by one. 2 is carry over. 1 into 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer is correct. Very good, Abrid. But who told me 94? Huh? Adinath. Because maybe Adinath 7 into 4, maybe he have said that it's 24. That's why it's wrong.
Am I correct?
Correct. Okay, how many got correct answer? Yes. Okay, now do question number 22. All of you. Question number 22. I will ask one by one. Don't say the answers together. Yes, I'll. Question number A, 22A, 16 multiplied by 8.
96.
16 multiplied by 8?
96.
No. Let me see who. Yes, Anvia. What's the answer of question number A?
128.
Very good. 128. 128. Okay, now let me check whether it's correct. 16 multiplied by 8. What is 6 into 8, Ail? 8 into 6. Yes, Ail? 8 into 6.
48.
48. So you have to write here 4, carry over.
Answer got
1 into 8. 8 plus 4?
12.
8 plus 4 is 12. So the answer is correct. 128.
Can I say B?
So what happened to Ail? All others, please mute.
127.
What was the mistake? Maybe you have added only 1 as the carryover.
Ma'am, I got 100.
20. Okay, I'll. Yes,
Ma'am,
you
can
how
I
you
say
got
next
98?
one?
You were saying question number 21?
I got
Or
108.
okay, so anybody, if you got mistakes, you have to make it correct now.
Ma'am.
Check. Hmm.
Ma'am, 60
Ma'am,
into
can
8, 128, right?
Yes, yes. 98 is the
I do
answer.
30 into 9,
One.
okay, ma'am.
Question number two. Yes,
127,
yes.
I think.
128.
Ma'am,
I
ma'am,
will.
I know the 22 question. B answer 107.
17.
Yes, 117. 117.
117.
Okay, correct answer.
Ma'am, I know the. Mama,
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
Also,
So, children,
12.
listen. 13 multiplied by 9. 9 threes are 27. 2 is carry over. 9 into 1, 9 plus 2 is 11. Very good. The answer is correct, 117. So, children, check whether all of you got question number 21 is 98.
Correct.
22A is 128. Question number B is 117. Now let me check how many got all
Okay,
three
ma'am.
questions correct. All three questions correct.
Ma'am, correct.
Correct?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, okay. I can see. Can you show me your book? Henry finished? Henry? Okay. So children, I'm going to share one more time. If anyone not completed, do it fast. Yes, children, I can see. Many children got correct answer. Devdarshan, can you show me your book, Devdarshan? Okay, completed. Very good. Okay. So children, we have completed 5.3 multiplication now. And children, Monday we will be having one class test on chapter 5 multiplication. It's okay? Monday?
Yes.
What you have to do? Yes, you have to study all the properties and you have to study all the multiplication tables. And if anyone can tell me what are the properties of multiplication we learned? Who can tell me first?
Ma'am, email. Ma'am, email. Mama,
1 minute, 1 minute.
Property.
Who is saying, let me see, I will,
Zero.
Identity property, zero property, communicative property, associative.
very good. So I will now ask one by one. Because some children, most of the children, they know. Yes, Abel. Say it louder and clearly.
Identity property,
Identity,
zero property,
zero property,
communicative property,
commutative property,
commutative, associative property,
associative,
distributive
distributive.
property.
Very good. So we have studied. Leia, can you repeat that again? The properties we learned.
Identity property.
Identity property,
Zero property.
zero property,
Commutative
property,
property.
uh,
Distributive property.
distributive,
Associative.
associative. Okay, very good. So children, you have to remember all these properties. And so what is identity property? Any number multiplied with 1, you will get the same number as the product. Okay, the answer will be the same number. And what is zero property? Any number multiplied with 0, the answer will be, or the product will be 0. That is called zero property. Then commutative. What is commutative? Changing the order. Stop. Commutative means changing order. Like 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. When you do 3 into 4, you will get 12. 4 into 3 is also 12. So when you change the order of the numbers, the product will not change. So that is called commutative. And what is associative? Changing the grouping. If there are 3 numbers, 3, 4, 2. So first we will take 3 into 4 in one bracket, 2 outside. That will be same as when you take 3 outside and 4 into 2 in one bracket. So that is called associative, changing the grouping. and distributive to break down one number. That is, if you want to multiply by 12 into 4, 12 into 4, we can take 12 as 10 plus 2 in the bracket, then multiplied by 4. So that is distributive property. So remember all these properties and study all the tables. And Monday, I will give you one small test in the evening. I will send the link in the evening. Are you ready, children?
Yes.
Okay. So any doubt in this chapter multiplication? No.
No.
No, but you have to study all the multiplication tables again and again, then only you will get correct answers. So all of you take out one rough book. I will give you 2-3 questions to multiply now. Check who is going to do it correctly. Keep the workbook. And if anybody did not complete any questions in chapter 5.3 today itself, you have to complete it. Now this is very easy Mendel multiplication. So all of you please take out rough book and don't say the answers. I want to all the children I want them to do alone. This is question number 1. 132 multiplied by 23. Next question is 149 multiplied by 121. So one number that is 2-digit multiplication, and the second one is 3-digit multiplied with the 3-digit. So children, all the numbers are very small I have given. Don't forget to add the one in the second row 1 0 and third row 2 zeros. If you forgot to place the 0, your answer will be wrong. First write down all the questions, children. Okay, Jeswin, we will do question number 1. Please unmute. What is 3 into 2?
3. 6.
6. So we will start from 1's place. 3 into 2, 6. Okay, 3 into 3?
9.
9. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 1?
3.
3. Any number multiplied by 1 is same number. Okay. Second row. We will start with what?
0.
0. Okay. Now this multiplied with the 3 is over. Now we are going to multiply with the 2. What is 2 into 2?
4.
4. And 3 into 2? 3 2s are? 3 2s are 6. We have done here in the beginning. Yes, 3 2s are 6. 2 into 1? 2. Now we have to add. Okay, 6. 9 plus 4? 9 plus 4 is 13. 13. And 1 is carry over. 1 plus 3? 4. 4 plus 6? 4 plus 6 is 10. Very good. And here 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3036. Okay, children, please check whether you got correct answer, all of you. 132 multiplied by 23. The answer is 3036. Now, those who have completed, do it question number 2. Yes, Amiel, we can start next one. Amiel. Unmute. Question number 2. Yes, Amiel. Unmute, Amiel. Check whether you can do now. Rohit. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll start with multiplying with 1. Okay, tell me. 1 into 9?
9.
9. 1 into 4? 4.
4.
1 into 1? 1. Okay, very good. This is very easy. And start with 1?
0.
0.
1 0.
Okay. 9 into 2. 9 into 2 is
18.
18. 1 is carry over. Okay. 4 into 2?
8.
8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Again.
9.
2 into 1? 2.
2 1 2.
Now, third row?
2 zeros.
2 zeros we had to start. Okay. Then 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into 4. 1 into 1. Same. But now add. Children, if you don't keep the zeros, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Now, 9 plus 0? 9. 8 plus 4, 12.
9.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 9. 20. 2 is carry over. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1. So the answer is 18029. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. Yes, children, is your answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, what do you have to do? Huh?
Mama, that's my wrong only.
Why? What happened?
Mama, that this one I write 179.
Then find out your mistake. Okay.
I 2 times I look. Then also that only come.
My first one correct and
Where
second
you
one
made
wrong.
mistake? Check.
Ma'am, my first one correct and second one wrong.
Why? What happened here?
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
so
I
if
didn't
you
get-
okay, children,
I
you can
didn't-
do it again and find out what
D.
is the mistake. Okay, so the multiplication table and the borrow, not
Carry
borrow, it's carry over. Everything you have to do in properly. Okay. Amel, now there is no problem with the. Okay, children. So what you have to do? You have to revise all the multiplication tables, properties, and study well for the test on Monday. Chapter 5 multiplication. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.